The right combination of academic partnerships, extracurricular opportunities, and the supportive nature of Hanover's tight-knit campus have provided connections to help our next student answer her calling as a healthcare professional. Hailey will tell us how her Hanover connections are helping shape her future. Take it away, Hailey.
Thanks, Alex. Hi, everyone. Growing up, I was always drawn to biology, but I was unsure what path I wanted to take with it. So when I began looking for colleges, I wanted somewhere that would help me excel no matter what my goals were. As a first-generation student, college was a little bit intimidating at first, but Hanover made the transition easy thanks to supportive relationships with both faculty and staff members on campus. Our class sizes average 17 students, so lectures are always intimate. My professors here know me by name. Discovering my interest in becoming a nurse anesthetist was due in large part to our health sciences program. Through this, I've been able to shadow healthcare professionals and connect with alumni. Hanover offers a great dual-degree partnership for students who want to combine a liberal arts education with an accelerated degree in nursing. This program, plus the experiential learning opportunities I've received, will set me up for success in healthcare. Two of my favorite academic experiences include getting to dissect firsthand in a cadaver lab for my anatomy course and traveling to Virginia to study herpetology at the Mountain Lake Biological Station. It's easy to form meaningful relationships with both professors and peers here at Hanover, especially with all the extracurriculars offered on campus. An organization I've been involved with for the last 3 years is Student Senate. It's hosted weekly as a place to discourse for the student body. The group helps govern campus, host forums to Hanover administration and student support staff, approve clubs, and more. I've had many priceless opportunities throughout my 4 years at Hanover, both in and out of the classroom. Whatever major you choose, you won't just learn about it at Hanover. You get to experience it firsthand with faculty who care about you and your success. That's my story. Back to you, Alex.
Thank you, Hailey. Hanover has fantastic partnerships for students who are interested in careers in healthcare, business, education, and engineering. Pairing small classes and intimate lectures with internships and other experiential learning opportunities really enhance your education. All of that, plus your connections with staff members and alumni, have really helped chart your course for the future, and that is awesome. Take care, Hailey.